Welcome to the third and the final part of a 3 series tutorial for making my Instagram app for web, Android and iOS. This final part consists of creating a simple iOS application which takes user input from searching images based on a particular tag and fetching images from Instagram and displaying them in a collection format. This will be very similar to our first and the second part, but we will be using the iOS environment. So here is our final finished product. Just like web and Android, it's not too fancy but works perfectly. As you can see from the interface, it's a fairly simple app where we have a text field and a button. When I type something inside the text field, let's say development, and we see a bunch of images based on our input. Also, let's scroll down and you will see we have an infinite scroll implemented. It will keep on fetching more images as and when we scroll down. This is what we would want to achieve from the next series of videos. For this particular tutorial, you will need a Mac. You will have to install Xcode on your computer. You can get that from the Mac App Store. Along with Xcode, you also have to get some simulators for iPhone and iPad. You also get access to simulators for watch and TV, but we will not focus on those as this is strictly for iPhone and iPod apps. The simulator has bunch of apps installed already, so you can play around with it and make sure you get around all the options. Play around with the settings and other apps available and make yourself comfortable before starting out the project. Xcode and the simulators also have a lot of shortcuts in Mac, so make sure you pick them up from the menu bar. It will help you a lot in the long run. Once you are ready, move on to the next video where I will be showing you how to create layouts and write some code for Apple app.